What's up guys, so today I'm back with another video, and I'm editing all these videos this time, so yeah, and today we're going to be making some slime, but not just any slime. I have a gallon of clear glue. It's not Elmer's, but my cousin used to have this, and it worked pretty good with her slime, so yeah, and we're going to be making some with this big thing, and my phone is standing, what am I doing? My phone is standing on a slime container. So yeah, put this white glue away. We're making some slime right here. So I don't have anything, but oh, it has a seal. Look at that. I'll be back when I get this off. Okay, guys. So I opened it, and I'm gonna pour it into my bowl. It was pretty liquidy. I think I added too much. I guess for my mom. Okay, so this is how much I added. So yeah. And that lid was pretty hard to get off. See, it's pretty thick and liquidy. I like mixing glue sometimes. I don't know why. It's kind of fun. Weird. It's pretty weird. It's like there's no other ingredient. So should I add shaving cream or not? Why not? Okay, I'm gonna go get it. And I also got some lotion. So get the bowl. Oh, it looks like a pretty big slime. 4 pumps of lotion. Now I'm gonna go put that back. Hey guys, it's like I'm going back and forward every time. But okay, I'm just gonna start mixing it. Well, I forgot about the color. Looks so cool. I just love how shaving cream and glue mix together. Like, it's beautiful. Look at it, you guys. What did you guys do today? For me, this morning, I went to IHOP. It took forever. And then today, we went to the go-karts, but we didn't really ride. This girl was going very fast, and something bad happened. She ran over a guy. So yeah, that's something. I cannot keep my mouth closed. But yeah, so here's the slime. It's beautiful. I'll add a color at the end. Should I add a color? Probably not, because I want it to look like a marshmallow. A fluffy marshmallow. Okay, so I'll be back when it's all fully slime. The slime looks chunky. Ew. I hope at the end it does not look like that. Why does it look chunky? Okay, so here is the slime so far. It is pretty sticky. It doesn't feel chunky, but it still kind of looks chunky. And if you guys are wondering where I got that glue, I got it at Marshall's. Only $8 instead of like the gallons in Walmart. The clear glues in Walmart, they're like $20. And the white glues at Walmart, they're like $12, $15, I think. I'm not sure. I haven't bought from there in a while. But yeah, so here it is. What video should I do next, you guys? Make some trampoline again? I don't know. I might vlog tomorrow too. I'm trying to vlog in the weekends or in the weekdays as much as I can, probably. At least trying to vlog once or twice a week. Yeah, it's like sticking over activity. I might add some lotion. Yeah. It's beautiful. When it's on light, it's gonna look pearl. Yeah. I wish I had a glitter, but I don't. I'll get back when the slime is all ready. So the slime's all ready, and before I was about to start the video, but then my phone fell in the trash, in my slime trash, but there's nothing in the trash, which is good. But here is the slime. Well, it's still a little overactive, but it's like clear glue, so like if you leave it for a while, it's gonna kind of like melt, so it's gonna be stretchy. Okay, so here it is. I think the shaving cream deflated a little bit. Yeah. I love it. It reminds me of a marshmallow. My camera phone. I think it's right here. The slime. I love this one. So here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I'll let you guys subscribe and give me a big thumbs up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I hope you guys subscribe and like this video in time. So yeah, and make sure to share this video with your friends. And turn the notifications bell so you can get notified every single time I post, and you can watch another video every single week on my channel. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.